Hello everyone, this video is going to show us how to solve systems by graphing. So here are the steps to solve by graphing, and it says both equations need to be solved for y first. So in number 3, it says y equals y equals. So both of these are ready to go into my y equals on my calculator. So press y equals on your calculator, and I have already inputted both of these equations into my calculator. X minus 16 and 1/3 x minus 1. And remember, to get a fraction, you do alpha y equals enter. All right, so now it says press graph. So I can see my two equations, okay, but I can't see where the two equations intersect. So what I'm going to have to do is zoom out. Now, we don't have to do this every time, but occasionally we do. So zoom out is the third option. Now it didn't do anything, but we have to press enter for it to actually zoom out. Now, can you see the intersection? Yes, it's right here. So what we're going to do now is press second trace 5 for intersection. So second trace, number 5 says intersect, and it's going to ask us 3 questions, but we don't have to move our cursor. It's just asking, is this the first line? Is this the second line? And then guess means, do you want me to tell you your answer? So you're pretty much just hitting enter 3 times. And remember, we always write our answer as an ordered pair. So we have 22.5, comma 6.5. And that is your answer for the first one. Now, since we zoomed out our graph, let's get it back to normal so when we do another problem, it's already set to go. So zoom 6, which is zoom standard, will get you back to normal, so that when we do another problem, it won't mess us up. For problem number 4, our first equation is ready to go, y equals, but the second equation is not. So I'm still going to do graphing since the first one's in y equals, and this one's going to be easy to solve for y. So I'm going to make my fence, and I need to move the 2x to the other side. So it is a positive 2x, so what I'm going to do is subtract 2x from both sides. Cancel out, so I have y equals. I cannot combine 5 and negative 2x because the 5 doesn't have an x, so they're not like terms. So I just write them next to each other. Negative 2x plus 5. Okay, now this is y equals ready. So now you're going to put both equations into y equals. We're going to put this equation and this equation. All right, both my equations are put into y equals now. Negative 1/2 x plus 2 and negative 2x plus 5. So I'm going to press graph. This time I don't have to zoom out. The intersection is already on my graph. So I can do go straight to second trace, 5, enter, 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 and my intersection is 2, 1. Okay, I hope this video helped you remember how to solve by graphing.